Lennox Lewis is a British-Canadian boxing commentator and former professional boxer who competed in the heavyweight division from 1989 to 2003. He was a three-time world champion, a two-time lineal champion, and held the undisputed championship. Lewis was born on 2 September 1965 in West Ham, London, to Jamaican parents, and according to his mother, he would often fight with other children growing up. He attended Cameron Heights Collegiate Institute for High School, where he excelled in Canadian football, soccer, and basketball. In the 1982-83 school year, he helped the school's AAA basketball team win the Ontario Provincial Championship. Lewis was knocked out by Hashim Rahman in an upset in 2001, but this defeat was avenged later in the year, with Lewis regaining the WBC and IBF titles. In 2002, Lewis defeated Mike Tyson in one of the most highly anticipated fights in boxing history. Prior to the event, Lewis was awarded the Ring Magazine heavyweight title, which had been discontinued in the late 1980s. In what would be his final fight, Lewis defeated Vitaly Klitschko by stoppage in 2003. He vacated his remaining titles and retired from boxing in 2004. In his first 3 years as a professional, Lewis won several regional heavyweight championships, including the European, British, and Commonwealth titles. After winning his first 21 fights, he defeated Donovan Ruddock in 1992 to take over the number 1 position in the World Boxing Council WBC rankings. He was declared WBC heavyweight champion later that year after Riddick Bowe gave up the title, refusing to defend it against Lewis. He was a 3-time world champion, a 2-time lineal champion, and held the undisputed championship, holding dual British and Canadian citizenship.